The WP Security Minute for February 21st, 2025. Yesterday, the WordPress plugin SVG support, which is used on 1 million websites, received a security update. Unlike many security updates to WordPress plugins, the developer disclosed a lot of information in the plugin's changelog about what the security fixes were. One of those fixes was to update a library included with the plugin named svg-sanitizer. The version of the library used up until now contained an XSS Bypass vulnerability. The developer of the library disclosed that vulnerability on February 12, 2022. That the plugin continued to use a version of the library that was known to be vulnerable for 3 years should raise alarm in the WordPress community. As the developer never noticed this, and the team running the WordPress plugin directory also didn't notice this. The same goes for the WordPress Security Team and most security providers. The issue was flagged by the Plugin Security Scorecard.